Hi everyone, my name's Nick, I'm a dietitian and I have a 9-month-old baby boy called Henry. We started weaning 3 months ago now and I've been documenting the whole process over on my Instagram page at Mummy Nutrition. In this video though, I'm going to be showing you a super delicious and nutritious recipe that is ideal for an evening meal. I'm using the Babycook NEO today from Beaba, and the recipe that we're going to make is a chicken, turnip and coconut soup, and it's suitable from 7 to 8 months of age. Ingredients wise for 2 portions, all you'll need is 2 turnips, 60 grams of chopped chicken breast, some spices and 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. To make the soup, all you need to do is peel and finely slice the turnips and pop them into the steamer basket along with the chicken and spices. Fill the steamer reservoir to level 3 and cook for 15 minutes. When cooked, simply pop the curried turnip pieces, chicken and cooking liquid into the blender and the coconut milk and blend into a soup. And for a slightly chunkier soup, which would be suitable for an older baby, simply remove some of the cooking liquid before blending. And if you've got any of the recipe left over, simply pop it into a baby squeeze for lunch on the go the next day. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you've enjoyed this recipe video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And for even more information on the Babycook NEO as well as helpful weaning tips, you can follow Beaba over on Facebook and Instagram.